When comparing Ryobi to Hercules, Ryobi is actually the cheaper drill kit at only $69 on sale here recently versus $97 for Hercules. Both kits come with a 2 amp hour battery charger. Hercules comes with a belt clip and bit holder that you can attach to the side. One advantage with Hercules is it comes with an auxiliary or side handle, which does feel like pretty good quality. I think they could make it attach a little better, similar to Cobalt, but not bad overall. You've got nice grip on both drills, and they definitely feel like nice quality for the price. When it comes to size and weight, Hercules is one of the largest and heaviest drills that I've tested at 1908 grams versus 1376 for Ryobi. Sometimes the weight of the drill can tell you which one's going to be more powerful, and that's definitely the case with these two. As far as the battery and charger, Ryobi seems to be a little better quality in my opinion. Hercules is okay, it just feels a little cheaper than most other drills that I've been testing. Nice thing is about Ryobi is you can use older Ryobi tools with newer batteries and older batteries with newer Ryobi tools. Both have lights towards the bottom near the battery, and they seem pretty similar as far as brightness. Hercules might be a tad brighter, and it seems to stay on a little bit longer after the trigger's been released. Both of these have a 1/2 inch chuck, but Hercules is metal where Ryobi is covered by plastic. Ryobi does have a nice texture to it though that you don't normally see on plastic ones, and it's got that nice clicking noise, so not bad considering it's plastic. Hercules definitely feels a little better quality and more durable. Hercules also has 14 speed settings versus 24 with Ryobi, and they both have a 2-speed gearbox that you can change there on the top. Hercules is just a little bit louder than Ryobi at 93.8 decibels versus 91.2 for Ryobi, and that's with no load on each one. Ryobi has up to 450 inch-pounds of torque at up to 1700 RPM versus 1200 inch-pounds of torque for Hercules at up to 2000 RPM. So Hercules is definitely more powerful. It's also quite a bit larger and heavier too. I think Hercules is probably comparable to the Cobalt drill that I've been testing. It can drill through a couple treated 2x4s with a 1/2 inch drill bit fairly quick without much effort. Ryobi does take a little bit longer. I actually had to stop and start again, but it does get the job done. In more of an extreme test with a 2.5 inch self-feed bit, Hercules did pretty well. It did take a couple attempts to drill all the way through the boards, but Ryobi struggled quite a bit more. It will go all the way through the boards eventually, but if I showed that, this video would be way too long, so Hercules won this test pretty easily. Again, I think Ryobi does a nice job at making their drill more comfortable to hold in the hand for longer periods of time with its lighter weight. It probably gives you enough power for most things as well. Again, it seems very comparable to what Craftsman is doing with some of their tools that I've been testing. This drill doesn't feel quite as underpowered, but Hercules on the other hand feels like a beast of a drill. It's big, heavy, nice and powerful. Again, feels similar to the Cobalt drill, but depending on what types of stuff you'll be working on, Hercules could be a little too large for smaller spaces. I think Hercules definitely wins this comparison, but I've got to say Ryobi might be one of the better values when it comes to drills that I've tested.